Good Friday. Dr. Shawn, Biodental, back with another interesting case. So for our friend Eric, this was number 8 and 9, his two front teeth had root canals and reoccurring infections. We actually did 2 CeraRoot all ceramic implants in immediate. So the teeth were taken out and the implants were placed on the same visit. This is about 4 or 5 months ago. Eric, let's take a look. Everything's healed up nicely. The implants have taken beautifully. Now today we're going to prep the abutments right to the gum line and get an impression. And in about 2 weeks, we will finally finish this case. I think it went well. Eric, you happy?
Yes, I am.
All right. Here we got it. So I prepped the 2 CeraRoot implants. Open, please. I mean, yeah. These were done again. They were done immediate. So really there was no tissue loss. All this gum tissue, all that bone. It's going to have beautiful natural aesthetics to it. 2 Emax crowns, I think, in this case, layered. Pop, pop. Okay with it?